Oh, hey, George. Want to come to my place and read a book together?
All right, then.
You know, I got a new book, and it's all about the Great Wizard of Puff. You see, he fulfills wishes of good little trains, even the most magical wishes.
Are you kidding me? There's no magic and no wishes of fulfillment either.
You can't just say that. Prove it.
Well, everybody knows that.
This everybody of yours know nothing, because they did not find what I have, a wish tree. And I know where it grows, George.
But where?
I know. There's one magic apple tree not far from here. It can fulfill all your wishes. Come with me. I'll show you. All you need to do is pick the magic apple. You have to say the magic words, and then your wish gets fulfilled right away, George.
What? You want us to climb the tree?
Oh. Together we will do it right.
Let's try to knock the apple down with this. Come on, the last attempt. Are you okay?
The Great Wizard of Puff, come and make George's wish come true.
What's that, huh?
It's the magic words.
Well, I wish there was candy rain all over the train city.
No.
What?
It's too complicated. I mean, not everyone likes candies on their roofs. Some people don't like sweets at all. You know that. Come on, wish for something else, George.
All right, fine, I see. I know. So I wish for a red wagon with a beautiful crane.
And I want my dad to come home early from work.
All right, where is my red wagon with a beautiful crane, huh?
Well, let's go look inside.
Where? Where's my crane? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, no. Ethan, we forgot to tell the wizard a date and a time. What should we do about it now?
You know, George, I think that, we should wait for tomorrow, maybe.
Ethan, look! I'm so sorry I didn't believe you.
You see? True magic exists.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Dove. Where's the red wagon with a crane?
Ethan bought it. Where are you going?
I just wanted you to believe in magic too, George. Well, consider it a magic present then. And I'm really sorry that true magic doesn't exist. I can't believe it! You're home early! It really is true magic! Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
Watch out! I'm first!
I'll be a general. Follow me.
No, guys, let's play mothers and daughters. That will be better. Or let's build a doll's shop. Huh?
We're surrounded.
Hey, maybe we should go to headquarters.
Anthony, what are headquarters?
Headquarters is a secret place that only we know about. It's where we can gather in secret and have secret meetings.
That's cool. Great.
Tell me, could there be a shop at the headquarters?
Did you say a shop?
Maybe you'd better make a kitchen there, Vera. There are kitchens in headquarters.
Oh, yes, we need a kitchen.
Let's get to work then. I'll get some branches.
And I'll get some leaves.
But don't break any branches. Only pick up the ones on the ground.
This is great.
I really wish I had my spyglass here. We could have watched the stars.
And cups with a pot. We would drink some tea.
I'm going to bring some paper and pencils so we can make a secret map.
I'd bring something interesting too. Something real.
Well, okay then, but don't tell anybody about our secret headquarters.
Vera, don't say a word about us.
Okay, I promise.
So we're all agreed. Not a single word.
Not a single word.
Vera, where have you been? I've made your favorite pancakes for you.
Mom, I'm sorry, but I don't have time now. I also need a few cups and a teapot.
I'll give you whatever you want if you tell me where you're going.
But, Mommy dear, I can't tell you that. It's a secret.
Vera.
Now, George, don't take the telescope outside. I mean, what would happen if it accidentally broke?
But I'm taking it to... Oh, I promised my friends not to say anything.
But aren't we your friends too?
1, 2, 1, 2. Now get ready. Ready for training. Everyone. Everyone.
Grandpa, please don't be upset. I can't. I really have to go now.
If it's not a secret, well then tell me where you're going.
But Grandpa, I can't tell you. It's a secret.
I understand that. Don't worry. I'm as dumb as a fish. I'm as dumb as a fish.
I guess that everyone is there already, and I haven't invented anything yet, unfortunately. But I know who can help me. Clockface! Clockface!
What?
Help me find
What?
something interesting, please.
Interesting for exactly what, Ethan?
I can't tell you that, though. Well, then we can't help you. But do you promise not
Yes.
to tell anyone?
Oh, yes.
It's a secret.
Of course.
Hey, guys! Look what Sam Sparky found for our headquarters.
Huh?
Oh,
Oh dear, Ethan. Did you tell our secret to Sam Sparky?
We don't have any secrets
and
anymore.
no headquarters. Why should we have secrets among friends when we are friends already?
So it wasn't just me who shared everything?
Of course that wasn't
Well, it's
only
good
you.
that we found everything out. It's very
And
good.
now we can build new headquarters together.
Hey, George, the stars are so beautiful here. They're amazing.
I told you that.
Hey guys, let's drink some tea. The tea is ready.
Oh, Vera, what will we do without you? I'm so bored. All my friends are busy. Anthony is studying. George is helping someone. Vera went to her mother's job for the day. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo! Hey! Yeah!
12 p.m. in Traintown.
I'd like to talk to you.
Hello there, Ethan.
Hey, tell me, can you break?
I'm afraid that's impossible.
No, you didn't get me. I want you to pretend you're broken. Just for a few hours. Can you? Can you?
Well, no. Tell me why. Well, all right. Just for you, then. All right.
Thank you, Mr. Clockface.
Mr. Clockface, what time is it?
Well, I don't know now. I'm temporarily broken.
Oh, it's a disaster. I'm really late for my lesson.
Anthony, Mr. Clockface broke. He needs our help. I have a watch. I need to run it again.
I can't, I'm sorry. I have a lot of summer training to do.
Do you want to leave the city without a clock, Anthony?
Very well. Well, all right, but only for Clockface.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to George, and you call Vera and ask her to come.
Hello, hi.
Hello, Vera, it's me. Mr. Clockface broke his clock, and we need to fix it. Come quickly.
Hey, George, Mr. Clockface is broken. We need to run his clock. Quick.
Clock? I had some information about it, I'm sure. Well. I don't remember where I put it, so I'll try it my way. That didn't help.
What's that?
Too many parts. Let's try pendulum technology. I've read that every clock in the world has a pendulum. You can swing it and run the clock.
Where do you run it to? To space? Well, we need to go to Mr. Clockface.
What time is it?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I really don't know.
But what do you mean? If you don't know, then no one will know.
I'm broken. Well, sort of, anyway.
I'm confused. What do you mean? What time do I need to go to work?
What happened?
Clockface is broken. Now everybody in town is late. And confused as well.
Clockface is broken? Mm-hmm. Well, Mr. Clockface has about 10 clocks. Something's fishy here. What's going on?
I asked Mr. Clockface to stop the clock for a few hours.
What?
I wanted to gather my friends together.
Whoa.
They were all busy and minding their own business. But I wanted to have fun all together. But I failed miserably, I see that now. The clock isn't working now, and it's all my fault.
How could you do that, Ethan? I was late for work because of you.
And I missed my classes. You really shouldn't have done that.
You should have, son.
He's right, you know. You should have done it, just for your friendship. Look at that. They're all together again.
Hey guys, look, I brought you a new clock.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
I really like this new clock.
Come on, guys. Be careful now. Don't damage the trees.
Vera, be more accurate. What on earth are you doing, George?
It wasn't on purpose.
Why's the 25th in red? Is there a reason? Today was printed in black like the rest of the days.
Well, just maybe they ran out of the color black. And they had a lot of the color red, and that's why they printed 25 in the color red, as you can see now.
George, you found the answer very quickly.
There's no way you're right, George. If you look after the 25th, the 26th is black again. If they would have run out of paint, George, then the rest of the days would be red as well.
Let's ask Anthony about it.
Firstly, this is a calendar.
Well, we already know that, Anthony.
Thirdly, this is...
You mean secondly, don't you?
If I meant to say secondly, I would say secondly. But I could tell at once that you wanted to know why those numbers are red, and that is why I skipped secondly and went straight to thirdly. So thirdly is very simple, you guys. The red color in the calendar means a holiday. The 25th is Paravosov's Day. It's like the town's birthday, so it's a happy day. So now you know why the numbers are in red.
Does that mean we need to prepare a present for our town?
That's right. What are we going to give?
We need to make something beautiful and unique, something never seen before anywhere.
No way, guys. I really don't want you to give me to the town as a present. Let's give the town some music as a present.
What kind of music, Vera?
Like this, George.
Good idea, Vera. Let's start practicing right now.
Ethan, you're doing it all wrong. It goes like this, not this. Okay, now go ahead and try it again.
It's useless. I guess Ethan has no musical ear, guys.
I don't have a musical ear, George. Where can I buy one?
You know what, Ethan? Nature gives it. Some people are born with musical ears, and some simply don't have it.
People say you have no ear for music. Haven't you heard that before?
This is not a laughing matter. But it is a reason to exclude you from our concert. We're sorry.
Ha 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 ha.
Ethan, you're so talented.
Ethan, what are you doing with T. Trollykin and D. Trollykin?
I'm training them, George. Teaching to dig deep in the snow.
But what for?
I want to bring my mom some flowers. They're beautiful and grow under the snow. They're called snowdrops.
Ethan, there are now snowdrops under the snow.
So why are they called snowdrops and not after snow is gone drops? You know, it's really very confusing to me. Oh! No snowdrops here, indeed. Really none here.
We better make a plan for the attack. Do you remember? We are carrying a snow fortress today.
Yes, I do remember. Don't you worry about a thing. We will carry it with ease. As they say, there are no unwinnable snow fortresses, only bad battle commanders.
Attack!
The girls have been hit.
Yes, indeed, they have been. I'd even say they are deeply shocked as well.
You see, Fantastic, it's good that we have bought this snowball cannon. They will never seize our fortress now.
The enemy strikes again.
Load the cannon. Ouch!
Maybe we should wait for half a year and carry the fortress in the summer.
Can you tell me what on earth you're both doing here? Oh, in fact, I know what you can be doing here. I have an idea. Smell the snowball. Load the cannon. Go!
Anthony, my mind is filled with doubts.
While you are assailed by doubts, I will assail the fortress.
Guys, we won!
Hey guys, what a great game that was! But where are the Trolleykins?
What did you ask them to search for beforehand? For snow?
Ah! Oh look, the snowdrops.
What if I read my love fortune about Sam Sparky? He loves me not. He doesn't care, he kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight, he'll send me to depot. Ah! What does that mean, I wonder? But why? Sam Sparky, I read on a daisy that you're going to send me to depot. Why would you do that? What did I do wrong?
Leave me alone, Vera, I'm writing.
No, answer me.
You know what? Go to depot.
So I see that Daisy was right. Hey guys, now I can finally and truly determine what guys think about me.
Oh, that's so interesting. You created a machine that reads the mind?
I don't need any machines for that. Look here. First, you need to name a guy. Let's say that it's George. Okay. He loves me not. He doesn't care, he kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight, he'll send me to depot. He loves me. So you love me.
Oh, this is nonsense.
It's true, daisies don't lie. You're in love with me. It's wonderful, I've got a new admirer.
No, I'm not in love. Just stop it. Anyway, this is not scientific. What can a silly flower know?
Hey, George, come on out. Forget about this daisy. Come on, really.
Let's find out about you. So, Ethan. He loves...
Who does she think she is? Science denies it. Those daisies don't know the truth. It just doesn't make any sense.
You don't love me?
That's
Why?
not true.
One of you loves me, and the other one doesn't love me whatsoever. I'm really hurt.
The most surprising thing to me is that now she's offended by me.
We must show her our calculations, and she will see.
And she'll understand that she was mistaken. If she understands.
She will understand how wrong she really is.
Let's give her a pretty bow to make her feel better, just in case. And maybe she'll stop being silly.
That's it. I'll never speak with the boys anymore.
Vera, I want to show you proof that you are wrong.
Yeah, right. You want to prove that I'm incorrect? What boy in the whole wide world can tell that he's in love?
This is all stupid, Vera.
You don't love me? Everything I do for you, you just think is nonsense. Huh?
You know what? If you believe in those stupid daisies, let me read it. She loves me not. She loves me not. She doesn't care, she kisses a lot. She'll hold me tight, she'll send me to depot. She loves me not. She does care, she kisses a lot. Aha, I got you!
Oh, that's right, my friend. So, either say that reading your love fortune on daisies is silly or kiss George.
Okay, I believe you. Daisies are silly. I'm not gonna kiss anyone.
Hooray! So, we're good now? This is a present as a sign of our friendship.
This is so romantic. Thank you, guys.
Wow, she kissed me anyway.
Huh?
Well, I think I need to get to know daisies better.
We will be back tomorrow. We do believe you're a big boy now, so everything should be fine when we get back home.
Now don't invite anybody in. They could mess up the house. Georgie, we trust you, dear.
I trust me too.
long did you say they would be away?
Ethan, let's go to your place.
No, it's boring. My parents are home. While at your place... Yay! The entire house is just for us.
For us? What do you mean for us? All right, just you three, but nobody else. And don't make any noise.
Hey! Hey! Yeah! Woohoo!
Ow! Oh! Please, no, not with my dad's globe.
No problem. Not your dad's globe? Ha! We'll play with your mom's globe. This is so much fun. Ha!
Oh. Oh no.
Hey guys, it is time to thank George for his hospitality and give him a helping hand as his friends.
Are you gonna help me then?
Of course we are, George. The best help would be not to disturb you cleaning up. Was this party cool or what, guys? Thank you for the great day, dude. Goodbye.
Hey, George, I would have helped you, but it's too late.
Oh.
George, we came home early just to see if everything is all right at home.
I'm toast.
Sweetie, we'll be home late at night. Are you going to be okay?
Of course. No problem.
I've heard your mom would be out for the rest of the day. Is that right?
Yeah? Why'd you ask?
I came to see how you were doing. Don't worry, Ethan. Eventually, we will help you by going home at the right moment.
Oh. Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.